Wakiri James Orengo niwe wambiriirie kwamba ciira wa mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga na uria maruagira giturwa nake Kalonzo Musyoka akiuga kwari na mahitia maingi megie uria githurano giatabanirio. Orengo ari na ihoya ati moimirira ma giturwa kia upresident mateyanirio.
We got to put our foot down. If a referee in a football match can put his foot down and make sure those who deserve to win, and those who lose justifiably.
Mawakiri angi magitariria mahitia maria Raila etikitie mekirwo ni kamiti ya ithurano na makimuima uhotani.
That the results show a curious trend throughout at each of those entries. It shows a consistent pattern in difference of the votes between Prime Minister Raila Odinga and President Kenyatta of 11%. At each of those stages.
Na Raila kuhitukira mawakiri ake etikitie ati President Uhuru Kenyatta uria wanirirwo ta muhotani ni ahutherire maofitha a thirikari uru na akihahura amwe niguo athurwo.
The process that leads to the casting of elections should itself be seen to be free and fair. To my lords, state officers should not be allowed to use state resources to campaign for any candidates.
Mawakiri angi a Raila makiruta matita mao mbere ya majaji mugwanja a igoti itugiru megie gitumi gia kuregana na moimirira.
Any failure or any lack of function of the Kim's kids is only a matter of impunity. There was no failure of technology in this election.
Ciira ucio no urathie na mbere na mawakiri a Raila riu mekuneana maratathi ma ciira wao mbere ya itua muthi wa gatano. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Monicah, Kagoni.